Choosing the right real estate agent in Ontario is a vital step towards a successful home buying experience. Here are the key considerations to keep in mind while partnering with a real estate agent. Firstly, consider the experience and local market knowledge of your prospective agent. An agent with a proven track record in your area of interest can provide you with a wealth of information that you wouldn't be able to find on your own. They can offer valuable insights into the local housing market trends, neighborhood characteristics, and potential pitfalls. Additionally, they can provide advice on the right timing to buy or sell a property based on their understanding of market dynamics. Secondly, consider the reputation and reviews of the agent. Look for agents who have garnered positive feedback on platforms like realtor.ca and social media. A multitude of positive reviews is usually an excellent indicator of a well-experienced and professional agent. Another factor to consider is the agent's communication style and availability. Your agent should be able to align with your communication preferences, whether that's email, phone calls, or face-to-face meetings. They should also be readily available to answer your queries or address your concerns at any given time. Moreover, the agent's negotiation skills are crucial. Effective negotiation can save you a significant amount of time and money. Find an agent who is assertive and has your best interests at heart. They should be able to effectively negotiate with sellers or buyers to secure the best price for you. Next, consider the support team of the agent. A strong and reliable support team ensures a smoother transaction. They smoothen the process by taking care of paperwork, inspections, and other crucial details. Finally, resources like realtor.ca, the Ontario Real Estate Association, and the Canadian Real Estate Association are invaluable for buyers in Ontario. They give you a leg up in your property search and help you make informed choices. Choosing the right real estate agent is about balancing professional expertise with personal compatibility. Make sure your agent understands your needs and goals comprehensively. Make sure your journey towards homeownership is hassle-free and rewarding.